Oh, hello. Okay. Okay, let's start this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Watch this. Okay. It's on.
Oh, the GoPro?
Yeah. Nope. Rock pit. Stop that thing. Where the heck this is? What is it? Ring closing it or something?
I don't know.
Boom! Oh, crap. Okay. That's hilarious. That was hilarious. Now, I'm going to sit you up here. I'm ready to go. Now scare the heck out of them. Okay. Okay, ready? I'm gonna sit y'all in scare mode. Sorry. I'm going to try this. Okay. The flashers are coming on. Wait, wrong thingy. Crap, where the flashers at? Who the heck? Where the heck is the flashers at? Okay, can't find the flashers. Somewhere in this car is flash. Oh, Oh, they're right there. The world's stupidest place to put flashers. What the heck? Okay, we're gonna try this again. Ready? Scared the heck out of a mode. 1, 2, 3. Let's get him. Okay, never mind. Shut this up. I'm not gonna do it till he gets in his chair. I'm scared he's gonna fall. Okay, the battery's about there. I gotta hurry up. Hurry up and get in the chair. Okay, this is gonna be hilarious. I don't know if y'all can see it there, but ready? Flashers. Taxi! There's the joke. Things about dead, so I'll see y'all later. Bye!